This is the Pochik Sitz bath. When you need one of these, you really need one of these. So let's get it moving as quickly as possible so you can get some relief. Out of the box, you're going to pop the base out, fit it onto your toilet like that. Fits standard toilets, so there's never a complicated setup. The wider seat actually makes it easy and more comfortable than you'd expect. It includes the flusher hose, which gives you more control instead of just sitting and waiting. I did fill it with water already. Straightforward and easy to use, easy to clean, which really makes it nice when you're so uncomfortable. The collapsible design of the base makes it easy to store when you're done. Why is this useful? It's useful for postpartum, any irritation, or those recovery situations where comfort matters most. Okay, how do we clean this? We just simply dump it through the holes in the back. Okay? Based on where your irritation is, this has a suction cup and you can move it around on the bottom. Okay? Highly recommend this Pochik Sitz bath. This review is sponsored by the brand.